So Murray Decker from Amigo. We are a technology company and we focus on complex itineraries, multi-day tour operators. So anyone who's producing a package that's over 2 days in duration, we provide distribution and we provide booking and reservation software for those companies. We became a member because of the membership base. It really aligns very well with the clientele that is seeking our technology and solutions. So anything from tour operators that do multiple day packages to complex itinerary operators to river and ocean cruising companies and rail companies, this fits our market perfectly. It's been an absolute whirlwind. I only just found out there was an upstairs section. I've had back-to-back meetings all day, and so have my other 2 team members here. So it's we're really looking forward to seeing what the results of those will be. But certainly the conversations we're having seem to align very well with the solutions that we're providing.